Well, in some interesting news then, what if growing old did not mean growing forgetful? What if your brain at the age of 80 years could work like it did at 40 years? Scientists say that some people are already doing it. In fact, scientists studying super agers have found something remarkable, and that is their brains do not shrink at the same rate as almost most people their age. Key memory regions, particularly areas linked to attention and recall, remain thicker and more active. Brain scans show stronger connectivity in regions that are associated with focus and executive function too. Some studies suggest that higher levels of neuroplasticity, the brain's ability to rewire itself, and even continued neurogenesis, the creation of new neurons later in life. In simple terms, their brains stay flexible. Researchers say that the superagers, or those who are 80 years old and above, possess a unique structural advantage. While the average brain loses volume, theirs stays robust, powered by a process which is called neurogenesis. They aren't just holding on to old memories, they are physically growing new neural pathways well into their 80s and 90s. Scientists say that the brains of superagers contained more newly developed neurons than younger adults in their 30s and 40s. Researchers even found that those in their 80s tend to be positive and challenge their brain every day by reading or learning something new. Many are physically active and continue to work into their 80s as well. Science now proves that high-intensity mental engagement triggers the release of specific growth factors that shield the mind against dementia. The message is clear that the brain is a muscle that demands a workout. If you do not challenge the machine it trusts, and if you do, then your brain remains robust.